the Panchayat Raj institution, in the way land seems to be the main issue in the state of Goa, where every minister, every department seems to be looking at basically land department are wholesale in the under the disguise of private universities, under the disguise of other several projects. हे लँड पण आमगेले आमची जे गिरेस्तकाय आहा हे पाड घालपाक हो सरकार मुखार सरलेलो आसा. आमचे गोवा's identity is in a crisis. You can see a classic case today of unplanned decision. Today a meeting was called for the formation of the 3rd district, and when we asked about the report that had to be given to us, this report, we asked for the same report that was of November 23rd. और रिपोर्ट आम्ही मागलेलो विधानसभेन आमकां तो टेबल करचो, आमकां तो स्टडी करपाक जाय. आजूय सुरवातेक आमी प्रश्न मांडले की आमकां वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट 3rd district, पूण व्हॉट इज द फिजिबिलिटी, वेदर it is going to have any financial constraint on the state of Goa, to what extent, whether there is pendency, what will be the effect of it, which are the places, what is the population, what is the census, which are the number of schools, all these things. But दोतरान कित केला, दोतरान आज एक ऑपरेशन केला. म्हणजे भुरग्यांक जेन्ना गायनेक एक दोतोर कोण कोता ऑपरेशन कोता, भुरग्याक जोल्माक हाडपाचो प्रयत्न केला, उंगरी दिनासतना ऑपरेशन केला. उंगरी दिवपाचें, पल्स चेक करपाचो, ब्लड टेस्ट करपाचें, ओटी सारकें हो कितें एनिस्टेटिस्ट आसपाक जाय, सेवरल सगळें आसपाक जाय. पूण दोतोर कितें कोता, एकलो आपुणूच ओटी ऑपरेशन करूं म्हणना, भायल्याक विदाउट any thought. So we told him, we are not against you forming a 3rd district, but we have the right to study and the report on what and why is the 3rd district required, what is its implication on the other 2 districts. So without that, just shortcut करपाक, कित्याक फाल्यांचो दीस लास्ट आसा, फाल्यांचो लिस्ट सेन्सस 2011चो लास्ट आसा. सो तें करपाक तेणें आज ही बिस्ती फॉर्मेलिटीस एक आज ही आमकां आपोवन हाडलेले थिंगा. So we said that you kindly immediately give us the report so that we can study. So such type of decisions have been taken. We have no faith on this government led by Dr. Pramod Sawant, because if such type of decisions, and this is something that will be binding on generations to come, it will have political implications, it will have financial implications, it can have imbalance within the population. So all these factors, without studying, they are gai korun under trying to form a new district. So this shows their vision of this BJP government, that last minute they are trying to do this type of this. It's a complete mismanagement.
युरी आनीक हे आसलें की आयज झेडपीचे जे चेअरमॅन आहा आनी तेजे इलेक्शन जालें, आनी नॉर्थान आहा ते बीजेपीचे अनपोस्टले, आनी सावथान इलेक्शन जालें, मात सावथान बीजेपीचे 15 सीट आहले आनी थंय क्रॉस वोटींग जावन 16 वोट पडले तांकां. सो तेजेर
आमगे नो मरे कितले पडे, नो मरे मागीर कितें जालें, आमगे अलायन्स जालें नो पडे.
सो आतां हे खंयचे पडले
ते आमगे नो जाय ते आमी आनी गोवा वॉर्ड नो आहले नो पडली, आम आहले ते आहले सेम नंबर, didn't increase and didn't decrease also, it is the same.
सो तुमी शुअर आसा?
सो तुमचे
तुमगे नो
म्हणटा
अरे कितले जाल्ले आमगेले अलायन्सान, नो जानु नो पड न्ही. आनी वेर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स, क्वेश्चन ऑफ
नो पडे. सो
इट वॉज ऑन एक्सपेक्टेड लायन्स.
इलेक्शना कडेन खुबशे म्हणटाले तुमी बीजेपींतल्यान एक कॅन्डिडेट घेतलेलो तो जिखून येयलो, सो तेजेरूय दुबाव आशिल्लो लोकांचो.
चोय तूं हेज्या हून आतां प्रेस आहा, हेज्या हून कितें आहलो, सो जेन्ना प्रेस आहा तुका रेस्पेद हांव दिता, तेज्या हून तूं दोतोर आहलो आनी दोतोरा जर दोतोरपण सोडून जर तूं प्रेस जालो जाल्यार तूं प्रेसाक तुका हांव सल्यूट कोता. आतां तो आहलो बीजेपींत, तो रिजायन जालो, रिजायन जावप अधिकार ना रे संविधानान दिलोलो, तो रिजायन जावन आमच्या पार्टीन भितर येयलो. So where is the question? Where is the question of he resigned, faced the public and won with one of the highest leads. This is a slap on where the chief minister campaigned. That particular booth we won with one of the highest leads. Never ever did the Congress party get such lead. So I think finally Jo Jita Wahi Sikandar. Finally we are against defection. Resigning someone resigning and contesting and facing the public is not nothing but it is called basically it is the right given in our Samvidhan to contest.
ओके
सर तुम्ही सांगा न्ही. तुम्ही 2-3 इशू फाटी काडलेले तेजेर तुम्ही कितें उलयल्यात तुमचे ते हावज बीन हें करता ते